Today's practice is to do a rampage of appreciation, right? It came to me yesterday during a workshop I did for a really fun and fantastic group on Facebook. What fun we had. And I asked everyone what practice they do to keep their vibration high, and one gentleman mentioned doing a rampage of appreciation. So thanks, Jonathan. I want to thank you for today's practice. And, it's a fantastic practice. The practice comes from Abraham Hicks. It's the first process, actually, they speak of in their book, Asking It Is Given. And Abraham mentions that it's a great practice for when your vibration is high and you want to keep the momentum going, right? But what I found is in doing it, it's a great practice to do anytime, whether your vibe is good or you notice your vibration slipping, right? And you want to turn the momentum back in your favor. It's a rampage of appreciation. And the way you do a rampage of appreciation is to look around right where you are right now and start noticing anything that pleases you. Anything that pleases you. So I started it the moment I woke up, and I've been having fun continuing it during my walk here in the woods. And here's what I came up with. So, here's what I'm coming up with. And I recommend you to take a couple minutes and do one for yourself. Just get that rampage of appreciation vibration going. So I said I'd start when I woke up. I love that I woke up, and that's a pretty good way to start the day. I love our apartment, and I love that I have clean water to drink. I love that I get cold filtered water straight from my freezer. For that matter, I love that I have a freezer and I have a refrigerator. On some of our trips, we definitely don't, right? I love my water bottle, and I love that I've traveled all over Southeast Asia with it, right? I love my car, and I love my car for its simplicity and its ease of use. I love that I don't have to worry about it or baby it, and I love that I just had it checked out and the mechanic said how great it is, and I love that, yeah. I love how lucky I feel. Yeah, how about that? I love how lucky I feel. And I love, even though I live only a few minutes from a big city, I can be in these amazing woods so quickly and easily. Yeah, I love taking a walk in nature every day, and I know how lucky I am to be able to do that. I love that I'm exercising and moving my body every morning, and I love that I'm feeling pretty healthy and strong. Yeah. I love practicing positive energy every morning, and I love sharing my practices with wingmates on the Wingman's Path here. And I love every time I practice, I raise my vibration. I love how every time I practice that I raise my vibration, right? And I love knowing my vibration creates my reality. And I love knowing I create my vibration. And I love how far I've come. I love that I get to feel love in my life, and I love that I have so much to be grateful for. I didn't realize it was going to become so whatever here, right? I love finding more and more things to appreciate. And I love knowing that the more things I find to appreciate, the more things I'll find to appreciate. And I love that I'm so connected to so many of us here. I'm so glad you're on the Wingman's Path with me here. So many wingmates and positive energy practitioners, right? I love that I got to do a workshop yesterday with some fun and wonderful people. One who gave us this practice, right? I love Mudita. Oh, man. I love Mudita, and I love taking joy in others' happiness. I love what the feeling, the vibration of Mudita has done for my vibration and my energy and my reality, right? I love that I'm doing this rampage of appreciation right now. And I love that I love myself unconditionally. I have come a long way, and I love that too. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great day. Thanks for practicing with me and helping all us wingmates, right, to bring more and more positive energy into our lives. It's been so much fun and so valuable. And again, thank you. And by the way, I urge you, if you're looking to level up your vibration, I urge you to check out the Coalition for Positive Energy. We've created a routine of positive energy, and it's been so valuable to all of us in keeping our energy high. And you can check it out at the link below. And have a great day, and I'll see you back here for practice tomorrow. Wingmates of the Coalition, I'll see you in 1 minute for our further practices. Enjoy.